Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Lian Li UNI Fan TL120 reverse blade, a triple pack of fans that promises to not only cool your system, but also elevate its aesthetics. These fans come in black, feature Lian Li's signature daisy chain design, and include a controller for easy management. The first thing that grabs your attention is the reverse blade design. This isn't just a cosmetic choice, it's about optimizing airflow. Traditional fans can sometimes hide the inner workings of your PC, but the reverse blade design allows you to showcase the fan's mechanics while still pulling air efficiently. This is particularly useful for side-mounted intakes where you want to see the fan blades. The LCP fan blade construction is another highlight. LCP, or liquid crystal polymer, is known for its strength and rigidity. This translates to less blade warping at high speeds, resulting in more consistent airflow and reduced noise. Speaking of noise, these fans are surprisingly quiet, even when pushing a decent amount of air. Lian Li has clearly put effort into balancing performance and acoustics. The daisy chain design is a game changer for cable management. Instead of having multiple cables snaking around your motherboard, you can connect these fans together in a series, reducing clutter and making your build look cleaner. The included controller further simplifies things, allowing you to adjust fan speeds and lighting effects from a single point. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with Lian Li's UNI Fan system. The interlocking mechanism makes it easy to connect the fans together, and the included screws and accessories ensure compatibility with most cases. The controller is also easy to set up, with clear instructions and intuitive software. Aesthetically, the UNI Fan TL120 reverse blade fans are stunning. The black finish gives them a sleek, premium look that will complement any build. The subtle lighting effects are also well executed, adding a touch of flair without being overly distracting. However, these fans aren't without their drawbacks. The price point is definitely on the higher side, making them a premium option. Also, while the daisy chain design simplifies cable management, it can also be a bit limiting in terms of fan placement. You need to plan your fan layout carefully to take full advantage of the daisy chain feature. Overall, the Lian Li UNI Fan TL120 reverse blade fans are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their PC's cooling and aesthetics. The reverse blade design, LCP construction, daisy chain functionality, and included controller make them a standout product in a crowded market. While the price may be a barrier for some, the performance and features justify the investment for those who demand the best.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.